Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start an activity on Discord in just a few simple steps. First, click on the server where you want to start the activity. In this example, I'm clicking on Test Accounts Server from the sidebar. The server opens and you'll see all its channels displayed in the left panel. Next, click on the voice channel you want to join. I'm selecting the General Voice channel here. You'll join the channel and see the voice interface appear at the bottom of your screen. A microphone access modal might appear. Just close it by clicking the X in the top right corner. Now click the Choose Activity button, which is visible near the bottom of the voice channel interface. An activity picker modal opens showing all the available activities. You can browse the list or use the search box to find a specific one. For this example, I'm typing P to search for Poker Night. The list filters as you type to show matching activities. Once you've found the activity you want, click the Launch button to start loading it. The modal stays open while the activity prepares in the background. An authorization modal appears asking for permission to run the activity. Click the Authorize button to confirm. The activity loads and opens full screen in your voice channel, ready for everyone in the channel to join and play together. You'll see the Poker Night interface take over the main window, with the game ready to start. Keep in mind that only server members with the appropriate permissions can start activities in voice channels. If the button isn't showing up, check your role permissions. Everyone in the voice channel will see a notification when an activity starts and can join by clicking on it. If an activity fails to load, try leaving and rejoining the voice channel, then launch it again. Activities work best with a stable internet connection, so if people are experiencing lag, that's usually the culprit. And that's how to start an activity on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.